This Mustang does something Ford has never done before. And it's not the V8, it's not the horsepower, it's the fact that you can get Fox body vibes in a 2026 car. Here's the thing. Most automakers kill their legends or turn them into crossovers. Ford just gave the Mustang a retro package that actually makes sense. The new FX package transforms the GT Premium into an 80s throwback. Oxford white wheels that look like they rolled off a Fox body showroom floor. White badges, white accents everywhere. Inside you get plaid seat inserts that scream 1987. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't some cheap nostalgia play. The bones underneath are pure modern muscle. That 5.0-liter V8 still cranks out 480 horses, or 486 with the active valve exhaust. 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds. The GT with the performance exhaust hits that mark faster than most sports cars people spend twice as much on. And the EcoBoost? It's only 0.3 slower at 4.5 seconds with 315 horsepower from a turbocharged 4-cylinder. Most people sleep on the 4-cylinder. That's a mistake. It sounds meaner than it should, feels quicker than the specs suggest, and it'll return 33 mpg on the highway when you're not hammering it. Then there's the dark horse, 500 horsepower, modified Gen 4 Coyote V8, adaptive dampers, track-ready summer tires. This thing hit 60 in 4.1 seconds and crossed the quarter mile at 115 miles per hour. It beat a Toyota Supra in a 0-150 test. Let that sink in. A Mustang outbraking a Supra. The steering feel is sharper than previous generations. The ride quality improved without losing that raw edge. Inside, you're looking at a 13.2-inch touchscreen angled toward you like a fighter jet cockpit. The 12.4-inch digital cluster is fully customizable. You can even make it look like classic Mustang gauges from 67 or 87. Ambient lighting changes with your drive mode. New colors for 2026 include Adriatic Blue Metallic and the return of Orange Fury. You also get seatbelt color options now: black with red stripe, International Orange, Prime Blue. Small touches, but they matter. Pricing starts at $32,320 for the EcoBoost. The GT sits at $46,885. GT Premium with all the retro goodness hits $51,405. Dark Horse climbs to $63,080. But you're getting track weapon performance for the price of a loaded German sedan. The real story here is survival. The Camaro's dead. The Charger went electric and expensive. The Mustang is the last affordable V8 sports car standing. Ford could have played it safe. Instead, they added throwback style, kept the manual transmission alive, and made the whole lineup faster. The FX package proves they're not just coasting on nostalgia either. So yeah, this is still the people's sports car. And next time, we're diving into something completely different. A truck that costs luxury car money, but somehow justifies every penny. You won't want to miss that. Drop a comment if you'd actually rock the white wheels and plaid seats. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.